Hello friends, good morning all of you. Here I am Gadekar Sachin Pandit. Today we are discuss new chapter third in which rearrangement reaction. In this chapter we are discuss a mechanism involving oxonium ion, Bachmann rearrangement reaction and Beer-Williger rearrangement reaction. So yesterday previous lecture we are discuss a introduction of rearrangement reaction, types of rearrangement reaction, 1,2 shift pericyclic reaction, olefin metathesis, and some 1,2 shift consisting different name reaction such as Hofmann root rearrangement, Lawson root rearrangement, Curtis and Schmidt. Okay, so these reaction involves 1,2 shift. Amide converts to aniline through the isocyanate intermediate. Okay, so these isocyanate intermediate forms a 1,2 shift. Okay, so today we are discuss on mechanism involving oxonium ion, then Beckmann rearrangement reaction, and then Beer-Williger rearrangement. Okay, so first here, what is oxonium ion? Simple example, oxonium ion H3O plus. Okay, so this is the oxonium ion. Second, trialkyl oxonium ion. Okay, so the oxonium ion in any oxygen cation with 3 bonds, okay, or octets. Okay, so positively charged oxonium ion is any oxygen cation with 3 bonds. The simplest oxonium ion is the hydronium ion. Here H3O plus is the oxonium ion. Okay, so then stable the alkyl oxonium salt exists. Okay, such as a triethyl oxonium tetrafluoroborate salt. Okay, so this is the example of oxonium ion, triethyl oxonium tetrafluoroborate. It is the oxonium ion salt and they are used as a alkylating agent. Okay, so this is the example of oxonium ion. Precursor of oxonium ion. In market, so many precursors are available in oxonium ion source such as peroxide or equivalent derivatives are used as a precursor of oxonium ion. Example, peracid ROOH, ROX are used as a oxonium ion source precursor. So reaction first, benzene peroxide. Okay, so benzene peroxide in presence of H2SO4 to form say phenol and acetone. Okay, so next is the next reaction, acid reacts with H plus, A molecule reacts with H plus to form say B peracid, oxonium ion. Okay, so in third, oxonium ion reacts with water to form say D intermediate and then decompose or rearrange to form say phenol and ketone. Okay, so this is the example of rearrangement reaction. Next example, Bachmann rearrangement reaction. Okay, so in this Bachmann rearrangement reaction, ketone converts to amide. Okay, ketone reacts with hydroxyamine to form say oxime. Okay, oxime reacts with water and heat to form say amide through migration. Okay, alkyl group migration or 1,2 shift, alkyl group shift reaction. So this is called a Bachmann rearrangement reaction. So in this reaction, some reagents are used such as concentrated H2SO4, HCl, PCl5, PCl3, SOCl2, Zn oxide, silicon oxide, PPA. PPA polyphosphoric acids are used as a reagent, are commonly employed in Bachmann rearrangement reaction. Okay, so Bachmann rearrangement reaction in which ketone converts to oxime and oxime in presence of acid heat to form say amide. Okay, so last lecture we are discuss on the different types of reaction. Okay, amide converts to amine. Okay, Lawson reaction, Hofmann reaction. In this reaction, isocyanates are forms a intermediate and then decompose to form say amine. But in this reaction, Bachmann rearrangement reaction, ketone converts to oxime. Okay, ammonia hydroxyamine reacts with ketone to forms oxime and oxime converts to amide. Okay, so now Bachmann reaction mechanism. Okay, so first reaction is the Bachmann reaction converts ketone to amide through oxime intermediate. Okay, second reaction mechanism of Bachmann reaction. Okay, second, oxime reacts with any types of acid to form say oxonium ion. Oxonium ion R1 migrate to N opposite to leaving group OH2. Okay, so this is the rearrangement reaction. Okay, 1,2 shift rearrangement reaction. So Bachmann reaction, reaction second B, R group migrate, R group opposite to leaving group. Okay, so these are depends on migratory aptitude. Okay, so to form say C intermediate and then rearrangement to give amide in Bachmann reaction mechanism. So here one more example of Bachmann reaction. Methyl propyl ketone. Ketone group consisted two alkyl groups attached. First is the propyl group and second is the alkyl group, methyl group. Okay, so this methyl propyl ketone reacts with hydroxyamine to forms a two types of oximes. Okay, 3:2 ratio. Propyl opposite to trans to propyl and cis to propyl. 3:1 ratio. Okay, first is the trans to propyl group and second is the trans cis to propyl. Both reacts with aluminum oxide to form a Bachmann reaction. So trans to propyl group is more favorable and migration of alkyl or rearrangement is more favorable. Okay, to form say amide. Okay, and its ratio is 3:1, 73:27 ratio. Okay, so this Bachmann reaction is most important to forms a trans product. Okay, so alkyl group propyl trans to hydroxy. Okay, so this is the most important in Bachmann reaction. So another is the 1,2 shift of Bachmann rearrangement reaction. Formation of cyclohexane to caprolactam. Okay, so this caprolactam is used for nylon 6,6 polymer synthesis. Okay, so cyclohexanone reacts with hydroxyamine to form say cyclohexaoxime. and these reacts with to forms a caprolactam, and this caprolactam used as a in synthesis of nylon 6, and this is the mechanism of Bachmann rearrangement reaction. So another example, Bachmann rearrangement reaction, cyclohexane converts to oxime and oxime converts to epsilon caprolactam, E caprolactam, and these E caprolactam reacts with base to form a nylon 6 polymer. Okay, this is the mechanism of Bachmann rearrangement reaction, formation of E caprolactam. So here another example of Bachmann reaction, other examples of benzophenone to benzylidene, benzanilide, benzanalide. Okay, analide means amide group present. Benzophenone converts to benzanalide. Okay, so this first reaction benzophenone, both group are similar present in carbonyl group. Phenyl and another group are also phenyl. So to forms a oxime, simple oxime form. Okay, and these oxime reacts with PCl5 or POCl3 or SOCl2, whatever may be, acids are used to form phenyl group migrates to nitrogen group opposite to hydroxy group. Okay, hydroxy groups eliminating group opposite to eliminating. Here no compete because both phenyl rings are similar. So but second example, acetophenone to converts acetanilide. Okay, so in this acetophenone, one group is phenyl and another is methyl. Okay, which one is the more favorable oxime? Because trans to methyl. Okay, so this oxime migrates methyl group to nitrogen opposite to hydroxy group. Okay, so this oxime reacts with thionyl chloride to form say N-methyl benzamide. Okay, not N-phenyl benzamide. Okay, so another example of rearrangement reaction is the Baeyer-Villiger rearrangement reaction. Okay, so in this Baeyer-Villiger reaction, ketone converts to ester by using per acid. Ketone to ester conversion. Okay, so in this conversion, per acids are used. Okay, so per acid converts to acid and ketone converts to ester. Ketonic oxygen remain as it in. Okay, so which one is the migrate in this? Suppose example 1 to alkyl, similar group or different group in which ketone reacts with per acid to form say intermediate. Intermediate reacts with acid to form say oxonium ion. Okay, so in these oxonium ion R1 and R2, both alkyl group migrate to the oxonium ion, positively charged oxygen. Okay, so these R1 or R2, which one is the migrate? Okay, so these R1 and R2 migration depends on the migratory aptitude, and then R2 migrates to oxime to form say ester. Okay, so rearrangement may be facilitated by intramolecular hydrogen bond. Okay, so here migratory aptitude in Baeyer-Villiger reaction. Okay, tertiary alkyl more migratory aptitude than secondary or benzene or phenyl. Okay, secondary alkyl, benzene and phenyl are similar migratory aptitude, but greater than primary alkyl and then methyl. Okay, so methyl migratory aptitude is lower as compared to tertiary alkyl group. Okay, so this migration is depends on migratory aptitude. Okay, so this sequence is most important. Migratory aptitude more important in Beer-Villiger reaction. So next is the stereoselective factor in Beer-Villiger reaction. Stereoselective factor. Stereoselectivity, there are two types of stereoselective factor. First is the stereospecific reaction and second is the stereoselective reaction. There are two types again, retention and inversion configuration. Okay, so but in this Beer-Villiger reaction, stereoselective and stereospecific. Okay, so in this reaction mostly proceed with retention of configuration and reaction is stereospecific. So second, para-nitrobenzaldehyde reacts with peracid to form say para-nitrobenzoic acid. Okay, so next is the ketone converts to ester through in presence of peracid. This is the mechanism of Beer-Villiger rearrangement reaction. Ketone reacts with proton to form say oxonium ion and oxonium ion reacts with peracid to form intermediate and R group migrate to form say ester and acid. So okay, peracid converts to acid and ketone converts to ester in this Beer-Villiger reaction. So next is the Beer-Villiger reaction. More example. First is the cyclic ketone gives lactone, means Beer-Villiger reaction in which insertion of oxygen takes place. Okay, and converts ester. See, cyclic ketone pentanone, cyclopentanone converts to delta lactone. Similarly, benzophenone converts to phenyl benzoate in presence of peracid. Okay, so in Beer-Villiger reaction, peracid and protonation is more important as well as migratory aptitude. In this Beer-Villiger reaction, only insert or insertion oxygen takes place through peracid. Okay, in ketonic group, labeled oxygen remain as it is in compound. Okay, so third example, migration of phenyl group over cyclopropyl group, means in this reaction, third reaction, benzene is more migratory aptitude than cyclopropyl group. Okay, so fourth is the similar types of reaction, Beer-Villiger reaction. Then para-methoxybenzene more migratory aptitude than plain benzene. Okay, so this is the more examples of Beer-Villiger reaction. Next is the, now we are stop here. Next lecture we are discuss on pinacol pinacolon rearrangement reaction and some name reaction, Curtis rearrangement reaction, Favorsky rearrangement reaction, Claisen rearrangement reaction, etc. Okay, so now here we are stop and Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.